Welcome this video wood project with craft wood with craft wood is a great way to repurpose leftover material, save money, and create something unique. Wood, your seasoning, woodwork, or a bring, then are parting to create and functional project. You can make with craft wood. Here are some inspired idea of turn craft into beautiful and useful prize. Cut board and sub try. One of the simply and modern purple use for craft wood is craft cut board or save turn hardwood scrap such as mouse, wild or idea for this purpose. By gum together define wood type. You can create a beautiful turn parrot, sandy surface, smoke, and finish it with